So when you get a referral, when you're talking on your podcast, remember communication is key. You communicate at the highest level that you can. If the other person seems like they're not being interested, it might be your fault. It might be you who needs to reach out to them. I once was dating somebody else like years and years and years ago. She and her mom kept getting in fights. That should have been a red flag for me, obviously, but she and her mom kept getting in fights. And neither of them would talk to the other person. And I said to this woman, I said, hey, be the bigger person. I know it's your mom. I know she's technically older than you, but I know that you want love. I know that you want to be connected. I know that you don't want to have her hate you and you hate her. Why don't you just be the bigger person and communicate with her? And so on a number of occasions when they got in fights and weren't speaking to each other, we were lucky enough that she would reach out to mom, say, Mom, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have called you that. I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have done that. I love you, and let's work it out. And then mom gets so appreciative, and now their relationship is amazing until they fight again. There is a moral of the story is it just takes that communication. You got to be the bigger person. You got to step out of your comfort zone. If you don't ask, the answer is no. If Emily doesn't reach out to Alex, Emily probably never has that client because she's just making the wrong assumptions. If Alex never reaches out to Emily, maybe he never makes the money. Maybe he never is able to have better copy that supports his business in a strong way. You got to get out of your comfort zone. You got to be the bigger person. You got to just ask. You just say, hey, I'm still interested.